Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the problems with the camera focus issue when you're trying to close up on a small object right here. You can see this is a small bug right here, and we're trying to focus or zoom in so that I can take a close shot, and whenever I move the camera really close the focus kind of blurred. So let's see how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, what you want to do is make sure that you update your phone's software. So just swipe down and see if there's any new update. Go into settings and then go into software update and make sure that your phone is up to date. If there is any new update, just tap on download and install to install the latest update. Apparently the latest update will solve a lot of the camera focus issue. Now if after the update and you still having issues, here's what you can do to take a close shot with a clear focus. So you can see here when I try to focus on a lemon, it works quite well. If I zoom in, you can see it focuses quite well. So if I move it closer to the bug, so here I'm going to try to move it closer to the bug. It's kind of blurred when I move closer. If I try to like really zoom in, it's get a bit noisy. The camera is get a bit noisy. If I try to zoom in, can't really see the bugs that much. So I'm just going to take a shot so I can show you in a minute. So what you want to do is not go all the way in too close, but try to keep it at a distance. So just at a distance far away from the bug, and then instead use optical zoom and then zoom in a little bit. You should see that it's still, if it's still a bit blurry, the reason why is because there is lack of light, and that caused the camera not to be able to have a very good focus on that tiny object. So what you want to do is have a bit of light. So I got here from the phone. You want to have enough light pointing at the subject, and that will help with the focus. So here again I'm going to take a shot on this bug here. So I'm trying to focus, and pretty much I can't go in further. If I zoom in too much, it will be kind of noisy. So here, and if I go into in, the camera have an issue with focusing on a subject. So what you want to do is again point with one hand, hold the touch, and here it will definitely help with the focusing if you got enough light. And I can even move it in closer. So if you move in too close, the camera will have issues with focusing. So make sure that you're a bit far away and use a sorry, it's kind of hard. And we can zoom out a little bit. Make sure you have enough lighting. So the key is to use with one hand, have enough lighting pointing at the subject. So here is the photos. You can see that box is really small. So that's one of the photos. This one kind of blurred because probably my hand is shaking a little bit. This one here is a bit further away, but you can zoom in after the photos. You can zoom in, and that's the bug right there. As you can see, it's so tiny. You can see the legs, the hair of the legs. Let's try to take a photo with 108 megapixel. So I'm going to change it to the 108 megapixel, and we try again with enough lighting. Now let's take a look with 108 megapixel, and this time you can see there's more definitions to the photos. As you can see, that's the bug right there with the shadows. So there it is. So if you have an issues with focusing on a close subject, hopefully this helps. Make sure that you are not too close to the subject but a bit further away, and you can use optical zoom and zoom in and take a photos, and you can see it's not really that bad. It's quite good with a lot of details. Also make sure that you have enough lighting. The lack of light can cause the camera not to focus correctly. And that's it, that's the bug right there. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. And you can see how small the bug is right next to the lemon. It is very small. It's roughly about the size of an ant. Thank you for watching this video.